Datacloud Global Congress 2024, and I am joined by Graeme Leonard, EMEA Fire Protection Division Manager, and Emilien Chabrier, Senior Regional Manager Southwest Europe from Victaulic. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Why are you participating in Datacloud? Who's the target audience you're hoping to meet with here?
So the participation in Datacloud for us is very important. We see both thought leaders from the sector, as well as some direct and indirect customers here, that we have the opportunity to meet with very senior executives within those companies, discuss ongoing projects, discuss product solutions that we may have, and generally become slightly more known in the sector.
And Victaulic brings global solutions that are interesting for the owners, the engineering, the big groups, the contractors. So the intent is really to keep going in this booming world today and try to bring something that helps the market being faster, better, and leveling up the value.
Yeah.
I think it's a twofold thing, in so much as we like to ensure that our current solutions are well known within the market and the options that people have in using Victaulic solutions.
Yeah.
But by the same token, it's also very important that we treat it as a learning experience as well. Talking to the people from within the industry helps us to develop our next phase of product offerings.
Yeah, absolutely.
What solutions does Victaulic bring to the market?
So Victaulic is providing global solutions for pipings. Doesn't matter if it's cooling or fire. And the goal is really to come from engineering at the beginning to the execution on site, going through prefabrication, modelization, everything, in order to find the best solutions in terms of quality, in terms of installation, because one of the reasons why we are used on the market is because it goes very fast and we need more data centers, so we need to build it faster. And on top, we bring a quality the same for each project, so there is no deviation in the standard of our customers.
Yeah.
And specifically also in fire, where we bring solutions.
Yeah, specifically in fire, we have flexible solutions which enable the system to be reconfigured as the data center may grow and develop over time. With the input of new servers, new racking designs, new geometries of the data center itself, we're able to reconfigure the system without actually changing the hard piping.
Yeah.
So that provides a great deal of flexibility and adaptability for the end user.
Yeah.
Additionally, we have systems which can be used in very water sensitive areas.
Okay.
That's obviously a consideration for us. We wish to provide the optimum fire protection capability with the minimum risk of any form of water damage to the end user.
And on the cooling side, the market is also changing. We are going to the liquid to the rack solutions, so that will also require adaptable systems, and that's exactly what Victaulic is bringing. As Graeme just said on fire, we do the same on cooling, because that's what the market needs in the future.
Yeah, I know you participated at Datacloud ESG. How are you helping data center owners meet sustainability goals?
So Victaulic by nature, that has been invented 100 years ago, but by nature the technology is plug and play and is circular.
Yeah.
And today, everybody that we met on that event are looking at the scope 3 with the embodied carbon, and they want to try to evolve in that direction. So our solution is really matching perfectly this, because there is no on-site emission. We do allow our customer to reconfigure and at the end of the project either recycle or reuse the material. So the full solution is completely circular, which is really unique on the market for piping, and that makes us, let's say, very different on that market.
Additional to that, it's a strategy of Victaulic, where possible, to make where we sell. So we have a major manufacturing base in Poland, which services the majority of all of our sales within Europe. That's unique in the industry, and it puts us in a position when we come to consider the environmental aspects and impacts, and the CO2 CO2 calculations of the transportation of the goods. If we're coming to our European markets from Poland as opposed to elsewhere, that's a great advantage that we offer.
And specifically on the way we handle the projects, because as we said, we do a lot of prefabrication modularity, and doing this, we reduce as much as possible all the logistics, and we keep everything inside in terms of CO2 fumes and everything. That makes the global system very smart and good to use.
It sounds like you've got a busy time ahead of you then. Thank you for joining us at Datacloud.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.